Unraveling the mystery of car pulling, common causes and solutions. Experiencing your car pulling to one side can be both unnerving and potentially hazardous. This phenomenon can affect your driving experience and compromise your vehicle's safety. In this video, we will explore the prevalent reasons behind your car pulling to one side and provide practical insights into diagnosing and resolving this common issue. Understanding the underlying causes of car pulling will help you maintain proper control of your vehicle and ensure a safer, more comfortable ride. So before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Tire issues. Uneven tire pressure. One of the most common causes of car pulling is uneven tire pressure. If one tire has significantly lower pressure than the others, it can lead to the car drifting in that direction. Regularly check and maintain proper tire pressure according to your vehicle's specifications to prevent this issue. Uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear, such as more wear on one side of a tire compared to the other, can cause pulling. This can result from misalignment, improper tire rotation, or suspension issues. Regularly rotating your tires and having your vehicle's alignment checked and adjusted when necessary can help prevent uneven tire wear. 2. Wheel alignment. Incorrect wheel alignment is a leading cause of car pulling. When the wheels are not aligned correctly, the car may drift or pull in one direction. There are three main types of misalignment. Camber misalignment. Camber misalignment occurs when the angle of the wheel deviates from vertical, either leaning inward, negative camber, or outward, positive camber. This can result in pulling and uneven tire wear. Toe misalignment. Toe misalignment refers to the angle at which the front or rear of the tires point relative to the vehicle's center line. When the wheels point inward, toe in, or outward, toe out, excessively, it can cause pulling. Caster misalignment. Caster misalignment involves the angle of the steering axis in relation to the front wheels. Excessive positive or negative caster can lead to car pulling. Regular wheel alignment checks and adjustments can help maintain proper alignment and prevent pulling. 3. Suspension issues. Your car's suspension system plays a crucial role in maintaining stability and control. Worn or damaged suspension components, such as bushings, control arms, or struts, can lead to car pulling. When one side of the suspension is compromised, it can cause an imbalance that results in pulling. Inspecting and maintaining your suspension system is vital. Replacing worn or damaged components can help restore proper alignment and handling. 4. Brake problems. Issues with the brakes can also lead to car pulling. Uneven brake pad wear, caliper problems, or brake fluid leaks can affect braking performance and cause the car to pull to one side when braking. Regular brake inspections and maintenance are essential. Ensure that the brake pads, rotors, and calipers are in good condition, and that there are no leaks in the brake system. 5. Tire tread depth. Differences in tire tread depth can contribute to car pulling. If one tire has significantly less tread than the others, it may not grip the road as effectively, causing the car to drift or pull. Regularly check the tread depth of your tires and replace them when they become worn. Maintaining uniform tire tread depth across all 4 tires is crucial for balanced handling. 6. Weight distribution. Uneven weight distribution in your vehicle can lead to car pulling. If your car is loaded unevenly, with more weight on one side, it can affect the vehicle's balance and cause it to drift in that direction. Properly distribute cargo weight for a smoother ride. Conclusion. In conclusion, car pulling can result from various factors, including tire issues, wheel alignment problems, suspension issues, brake problems, tire tread depth differences, and uneven weight distribution. Regular maintenance, including tire pressure checks, wheel alignment adjustments, suspension inspections, and brake system maintenance, is crucial to preventing and resolving car pulling issues. If you experience persistent pulling, consult a qualified mechanic to diagnose and address the underlying problem for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.